It's an initial challenge, and today we're solving new operations to equalize binary string. So we're given S and K variables, and we need to return the minimum number of operations required to make all the characters equal to. We're gonna use BFS. So let's start our implementation. We need length of the string defined. We need amount of zeros counted in initial string, which is zeros. If all zeros are zero, so just return zero because zero operations. We need to store unvisited here, so there will be two sorted sets here, sorted, which actually sorted list, forward and for even operations. Yeah, for in states. So let's add everything in range 1 and plus 1 and unvisited to divided by 2. So, and we just add in our value here. So we define our queue where method called the queue, and we got as initial state we got zeros, and 0 is amount of operations, it's starting one. Also, starting values should be removed from unvisited. Let's remove them, zeros and divided by 2, just removing this state here. So we got our queue and doing BFS here. So we're fetching our current value and amount of steps needed for left operation. And we define the all possible range of amount of zeros we can take here as current, and maximum is minimum from k and current, and next minimum will be current plus k minus 2 multiplied by I, and next maximum will be current plus k minus multiplied by lower. Also by checking the parity of our new state, which is current plus k divided by enter, and we get if it is achievable. So next minimum is lower than 0 and lower than next max, and 0 divided by 2 is equal to parity. So just returning steps plus collect all unvisited states, unvisited states here of given parity. Got the index of bisect left, max 1, next min on the next state, and we defined the array to visit, and while index is lower than new node to visit here, just appending also index and incrementing our index here, and iterate over nodes we need, states we need to visit here, just removing it from this one and appending to our queue, which is steps plus 1. If we found nothing, so we're returning minus 1. Found something, we're gonna return it here. So let's try submitting this solution to see if it actually works. There's a small typo here, so let's try resubmitting it with valid the queue number, and we just a small typo here. Another one, let's try resubmitting it to see if our solution actually works now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you next day.